not too far from Great Smoky Mountain National Park. We're looking at a spectacular road cut with beautiful folds in it of the Wilhite Slate. We're on Highway 321. Traffic is really bad at this road cut. It's a popular highway going through here. This is an exposure of the Wilhite Slate, part of the Precambrian rocks of the Ocoee supergroup. These rocks were deformed and metamorphosed during the tectonic orogeny in the Ordovician period. These rocks are folded into a number of anticlines and synclines, and they are pervasively deformed with an axial planar cleavage that goes through the entire sequence. My students here are learning how to take strike and dip values using a Brunton compass. They're also learning how to identify the difference between the bedding planes and the cleavage planes, and it can be a little tricky in this fine-grained phyllite that's here at this road cut. Great example of one of these folds. These rocks have a strong axial planar foliation, which is nearly vertical in this shot, dipping a little bit to the southeast. And if you come up and look at these planes, you've got lots of cleavage planes all through these rocks. Even though the bedding comes up, and then you got to fold over, and it starts coming straight down right over here, and the beds are nearly vertical, a little bit overturned even. But all throughout this, you've got this plane of foliation that is splitting the fold in half, right along what's called the axial plane. Another thing you can tell about these folds is that they have deformed by flexural slip. If you look on the bedding plane, you can see nice examples of slickenlines, mineral fibers. Here's some more up here. Give you a nice direction of the sense of slip on the bedding plane. During deformation, the folding that occurred happened through the mechanism of flexural slip, meaning like a deck of cards, when it's folded, the planes in between the layers will have a little bit of slip on them, and you see that recorded in the mineral fibers in these rocks.